In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chart in Vantage Trading app. The quickest and most reliable way to save a chart from the Vantage Trading app is to use the built-in chart snapshot feature. This is designed specifically for traders who want a clean, shareable image without extra clutter. Start by opening the Vantage app on your phone. From the bottom menu, go to Trade or Markets. This is where all the available instruments live. Tap the asset you want to work with. Think gold, EUR USD, or any pair or commodity you're analyzing. Once you're on the instruments page, open the chart. If you want more space to see your indicators and structure, rotate your phone sideways into landscape mode. This is optional but highly recommended for clarity and detail. Look to the upper right corner of the chart. You'll see an arrow icon that looks like a box with an arrow pointing upward. Tap that. This opens the chart snapshot window, which gives you options to share or save your image. From here, you can post directly to social media, choose download to save the image locally, or tap more to send it to other platforms such as email services, messaging apps, cloud drives, or even print. Pick the destination that suits your workflow and you're done. The app handles the export so you get a crisp chart image. If you want a better looking chart image, turn your phone to landscape mode before you take the snapshot. Consider switching to the Pro Chart mode to access indicators and drawing tools, so your technical levels and annotations are captured properly. Hide any unnecessary panels or widgets you don't need, so the final snapshot focuses on price action and your analysis. Vantage officially recommends landscape mode when you're using advanced chart tools, and it makes a noticeable difference in readability. If you can't find the chart at first, here's a quick way to get there. Open trades or markets. Tap an instrument you're interested in, then tap the candlestick chart to bring it up. Rotate your phone for a larger view if you need more room to work. This is the same chart access path described in Vantage's Help Center, and it keeps everything consistent across instruments. That's all there is to it. Open the app, navigate to your instrument, bring up the chart, rotate for a wider view if you like, and use the arrow icon to share or download a clean snapshot. With these tips, your saved charts will be clear, focused, and ready to share or archive.